Hey everyone, welcome to the Whaler channel. Today I'll show you how to make your R6 game in Roblox. As you can see now, entering the game, I have an R16 avatar. So to make it R6, we need to go to the file and first publish the game. Click Publish to Roblox, then click Create here. Next. Now the setup is in progress. The server is opening, yes, and now we're going into game settings. Here's the avatar. We see they moved the tab, but I found it. Now the tab is in Avatar Settings. Here we click on three dots and select R6 only. Now if we click Save Changes, only R6 avatars will be used. Click Save and Restart. That's all. This was Whaler. Goodbye everyone.